Okay guys, so hello. So in this video I want to do a problem involving u-substitution, integration by u-substitution specifically. This problem is a very special kind of problem. So of course, so here we have the square root of x over the square root of x minus 3, and at the very end of the video I'll explain why, because there's two different answers you can put to this. Give me 1 second. So here we need to do, and we're going to go ahead and substitute. So u, in this case, is going to be the square root of x minus 3. And the very strange thing about this problem, guys, is that they do give us the u substitution here. So they do say that the denominator will be our u. So that is a bit of, that is, somewhat helpful. Now this is where I do want to go ahead and do, instead of the traditional, where we make everything, because we are going to make everything in terms of u, but I'm not gonna, what I'm trying to say is I'm going to go ahead and solve for u here, or solve for x, excuse me. So this is how it's going to go. So we're going to go ahead and put the square root of x here and here. So we're going to substitute. So if I do this, hold on. So we're going to say u, and we're going to add 3 to both sides, right? So u plus 3 equals root x. So we're going to say u plus 3 over u plus 3 minus 3, right? And then d, so here's the thing, guys. Here, we want to try and get dx here. The thing is, we have root x over here, so we're going to go ahead and square both sides, right? So x will be u plus 3 quantity squared, right? And then dx will just be 2 times u plus 3 du, right? So dx in this case, right, we're going to go ahead and just substitute this, right? So dx will become this. So it's going to be times, it's going to be 2 times u plus 3 du, right? So so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just rewrite this. So u plus 3 over u, and then times 2 times u plus 3 du. So really this is going to be 2, the integral, it's going to go the integral of 2 times u plus 3 quantity squared all over u du. So then we're going to go ahead and do the following. So now we're going to say, so it's going to go 2 times u squared plus 2u, plus 6u plus 9. And if y'all are wondering how I got that, it's just a plus b quantity squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so in case you don't know how to do that, you can do FOIL method. And this is supposed to be a 6. It looks like a b. So then, and then all over u, right? And du, right? Integral. So then what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 outside. You don't need to, but I'm just going to do that. So it's going to go u squared times u squared plus 6u plus 9 all over u, okay, du. So we're going to say 2 times the integral of u plus 6 plus 9 over u du, right? Which is 2 times u squared over 2 plus, and so we're just doing power rule, guys. So remember that the integral of x to the n dx equals x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, such that n does not equal negative 1, or plus c such that n does not equal negative 1. Okay, and also the integral of a over u du is going to be natural log. It's going to be a natural log of absolute value of u plus c, such that u is greater than 0, right? Now, here we're just going to go ahead and also the integral of a constant. I forgot to say that. Okay, so this is what I mean. So integral, this is constant rule. So integral of a constant. So I just want to make sure we understand that, guys. You're just multiplying x to that. So we're just going to say plus 6x, right? So 6 times x. Plus, and then it's going to be 9 natural log of u, right? Absolute value of u. And then plus c. We're going to go ahead and distribute the 2, so let's just do that. So we have u squared, and actually, I'm sorry, I meant to say plus 6u, not 6x, plus 6, so it's going to be plus 12u, right? And then plus 18 natural log of absolute value of u, plus constant integration c. We know that u itself was square root of x minus 3. So u, again, I'm just going to go ahead and... So we have the square root of x minus 3 quantity squared plus 12 times the square root of x minus 3 plus 18, natural log of square root of x minus 3. Okay, absolute value, and then plus c. You can expand this, right? We can expand this here. So remember, again, we're going to use, so a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it's going to go the square root of x squared minus 2 square root x times 3 plus 3 squared plus 12 square root x minus 36 plus 18 natural log of absolute value of square root of x minus 3 plus constant integration c. Now we're just going to simplify this, right? So square root of x squared is x, and then minus 6 square root x. And then plus 9, and then plus 12 square root x, and then minus 36, plus 18 natural log of absolute value of square root of x, minus 3, plus c. Okay, so here we know that we just have to combine like terms. So we have this going on and this going on, as well as this and this, right? So then we're going to have x minus, and it's going to be, I'm sorry, plus 6 square root x, right? Let me write that better. Write that in this color. and then plus, or actually minus, what is it, 27, right? So minus 27 plus 18 natural log of absolute value of the square root of x minus 3 plus constant integration c. So let's just go ahead and okay, so here's the thing. This is one possible answer. Right? If you get this, that's completely fine. That is perfect, right? However, I did notice, and it kind of stumped me a little bit, but in my textbook, the answer was written a tiny bit different. So this is what I wanted to go ahead and go over, and this is kind of why I wanted to go over this problem. So in some instances, they do not include any other constant in the answer, meaning that, for example, our answer is not going to have a negative 27. It is going to automatically go with the arbitrary constant c. So any constant included in the antiderivative will be treated as the arbitrary constant. C, right? So what I mean is, in this case, this is going to be the same as this. So in that case, negative 27, so thus negative 27 will be treated as an arbitrary constant. Sorry, guys. So our answer is, thus another possible answer is, right? And it's going to be x plus 6 square root x plus 18 natural log of square root of x minus 3 plus constant integration c. Either way, guys, it is actually correct. I mean, I don't think everybody does this, but I did want to just emphasize that there are some, I guess, some professors, some teachers, or some, you know, in some cases, they will treat any other constant as an arbitrary constant c. But either way, guys, both are correct. It's not obligatory to actually, you know, this is not, you know, or actually, this is not an obligation, right? We can actually do the other one, right, as well. So I just wanted to show y'all two different possible answers to this problem. So I don't think I've ever gone over this yet until now. So with that being said, guys, I do hope that makes sense, and I do hope that helps. And if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.